Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to show you how to follow other people on cyb.ai to read all the messages, all the cyberlinks from them, and to basically be able to chat with them.
Huh?
You haven't heard about a new feature on cyb.ai? Oh. All right, I will tell you. So recently, developers of cyb.ai deployed a new feature which is called Sense. Generally, very briefly and simply speaking, it's a communication layer on top of the knowledge graph. Basically, you could talk to other community members which are having citizenship. If you have a citizenship, you have your profile, you're able to communicate with others. And also, it's not only about chatting. By the way, it's not private messaging or something, it's public messenger. But what interesting to know, you're able to communicate with your validator right in here. So let me show you. Recently, I got the notification, a new message from POSTHUMAN validator, which tells me that I was compensated from POSTHUMAN validator for something, and I received 2,700,000 of boot. That's quite interesting. And also, if you want to chat with someone, you're able to chat with someone. If you want to create a new thread or something and follow some thread, you just have to cyberlink to create a cyberlink on this, like make a reply to any information that's interesting to you, and you are all set. You follow. And let me show you how to follow other people to stay in touch and learn from them, to communicate with them, and so on and so forth. So basically, for example, I would like to follow, by the way, I already follow Master Cyb. He's one of the co-founders of Cyber. I'll just have to type Master Cyb in the search engine and click on enter. So here we go. And here on the left side of any of the cyberlinks, you have to click on the star button and then click on the learn button. Then it will generate a new transaction. So you have to approve this transaction and you are all set. Quite soon there will be some quick fix from developers which will enable a possibility to also follow all your links right in Sense. So for example, you want to share some knowledge with others and you, for example, want to, let's make it right now. For example, I want to share today's weather or something. Oh, what's current Bitcoin exchange rate? Let's go to the CoinGecko. All right, it's now 63,000. All right, I'll just go here, Bitcoin today. And there is no information about that, so I could write it down. Bitcoin is 63K on 19th of March. All right, cyberlink. Now I just enriched the cyber graph, and this is like a new knowledge for the Superintelligence. I don't know how it will use it, but anyway, so I just created a new thread, something like that, and then it will be shown right in here. And other people, if they want to daily update the price or whatever, it's up to you to decide what data should be filled into the knowledge graph. Yeah, that's basically it. And please reach me on cyb.ai. You see my profile name and follow me, follow others, follow everyone, and stay updated about the cyb.ai and look deeper into the cosmos. See you soon.